Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the turkey pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the top left and let's draw the beak. Let's start with an angled curve down, and then curve it down on the right. And then close it off at the bottom. Next, let's hop underneath, let's step in from the edge, and let's draw a curve like this. Now let's move back up to the top and let's draw a curve down on top on the left. And then let's add a curve down on the right side. And then curve it back up at the end. And that's it for the beak. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and bring it down on the right. Now let's continue it by curving it back underneath and up into the beak. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and draw the eyes. Let's start by drawing the first eye with a circle inside. And then the other eye on the left side of the head with a curve. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. Lastly, for the head, let's draw two bumps on top. Now let's move down underneath and draw the neck. Let's add two curves down underneath the head, making the right side a bit shorter. Now let's connect it at the bottom with a curve. Now let's move down on the bottom right and let's draw the first wing. Let's leave a gap between the neck and the wing and let's draw a curve down to the right. And then close off the bottom with a large U-shaped curve. And that's it for the first wing. Now let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start next to the neck on the right and let's draw a curve up and down to the wing. And now let's hop underneath the neck on the left side and let's draw a curve down and bring it back up. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's add the other wing on the left. Let's start next to the neck and let's draw a curve down and then bring it back up. Next, let's hop up on the back and add the tail. Let's start on top of the back and let's draw two curves up like this. And then close off the end with a curve. Now for the next feather, on the top left, let's draw a curve over and bring it down. And the same thing on the right side. Now on the left, let's add one more skinnier one. And then one more on the right side. And that's it for the tail. Lastly, let's move down and add the feet. Underneath the body, let's draw two curves like this. And then a curve underneath to close off each foot. And that's it for the turkey pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!